Happy Saturday from Sandholmarna Nature Reserve and beach as well. I am out for a beach adventure on the Baltic Sea and I have cycled 28.5 kilometers with my cube to get here, and it was quite a nice and flat road mostly, and it took me 1 hour and 5 minutes, and I have found my own rock here right on the sea, but there is also many other places to chill here. And you can see also here there's a sign for nature reserve. And now we have also waves coming in from the nearby boats that are going around the Stockholm archipelago. And it's amazing how the summer is already here on this 18th of May, and beach day number 39 in my Sweden beach adventures this year. I just can't believe that we are not even June and I will be turning 40 days tomorrow, which is amazing. But yesterday, 17th of May, I was on the concert of Taylor Swift in Friends Arena and I had the time of my life. It was amazing. It was a 5-hour show, starting out with Paramore as a starting band. I used to listen a lot to Paramore in the 2000s, 2007 and 8, but the crowd didn't know any of the songs because the crowd are mostly 13-year-olds that weren't born at that time. But yeah, then also after Paramore, obviously Taylor Swift, 3.5-hour show. It was amazing. She sang all of the eras that she had, all of the albums, the best songs. It was amazing. It was truly magical experience. The show, the choreography, the experience in the audience, it was so amazing. Everyone was singing along and it was amazing. Okay, enough about the concert. Let's enjoy now in this beautiful sunny day here in Tyresö, out on the Baltic Sea. So there is even a jetty over there to get into the water. So, but I think I'm gonna go in here anyway because it looks much more nice and wild, and you know that I love wild beaches like this. And yeah, I also managed to do a body pump training this morning, so that's why I'm starting off the beach adventure a bit later today. So that's why I have quite defined body, not too many muscles, but I'm mostly working out for definition, as I don't want to get a lot of muscles, as I'm cycling obviously a lot as well. But yeah, it is 9 degrees Celsius in the sea, so quite cold, as this is here an open sea. But let's that not stop me from continuing the beach adventures, and let's enjoy. Yes, I mean 22 degrees Celsius in the air, it's amazing. And in Stockholm, in the central part, it's even 24 right now, but it's always a bit colder on the coast. Because of the winds and the openness of the landscape. Tomorrow it's gonna be 26 maximum in Stockholm, so I'm gonna be going out for another amazing beach adventure on the sea for sure. But for now, let's then enjoy and embrace this beautiful, beautiful scenery and the beautiful Baltic Sea here in Stockholm. You know, there is lots of seaweed over here, but that doesn't mean that it's not good. That adds more natural part to the sea, so it's amazing, brilliant, amazing. Sandholmarna in Tyresö, this is it, beautiful. All right, then I'm gonna be gliding into the sea and taking a swim. Let's go. Oh, I just love the sea. It's amazing. Oh, so beautiful. Look at that. It's amazing. There are not so many people on the beach, despite being a quite warm day. Maybe total of 10 people. But yeah, obviously there are thousands of beaches in Stockholm, so there is place for everyone to enjoy to the maximum. Ah, amazing. Cool. Yeah, right now it's 3:30 p.m. but I'm gonna be staying here until probably for 3 more hours, I don't know, before I head back home. As I really need to catch up with my comments on YouTube. I have a lot of comments. Recently I have had so much engagement, especially on my shorts about Eurovision. So I'm so happy for all the engagement and for all the new subscribers. So if you're watching this video, thank you so much for following my beach adventures, but also my Eurovision adventures and Eurovision rankings. So cool. That's a wrap from Sandholmarna in Tyresö, this amazing natural beach, nature reserve out on the Baltic Sea. So thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.